Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to see what's new in 1688 app. Okay, every up- every update we, we we can see all the info or change log, clicking in our Play Store or our App Store. Okay, and we're gonna search for 1688 app to see what's new in this new update. Right here, you're gonna click 1688 app, and right here you can see what is new and the last update. Okay, you're going to click this button right here, and you can see all the change log right here. As you can see, there is not much to see, but this in this case you can read all the minimum change. Okay, well, this is really easy. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.